Yes, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela webdev. In this video we will learn about the one of the important command in the Linux, that is about the grep command. I think most of the people know about this grep command, or somehow in somewhere if you are having experience in the Linux, or if you have seen any Linux command or anything, so you will be able to have know about this one, that is grep command. So what does this grep command actually does? So the grep command, what it will try to do is, it is used for searching the text within the files. So that is one important concept you need to understand. So don't mistaken or confuse with the find command. So find command, what it will do is, it will try to find the files. Okay, it will try to find the files with the file name. It will try to search for a pattern and it will search for the file names. Whereas the grep command, it will try to search for the text that is present inside the files. So that is the thing. So normally the full form for this one is something like globally search a regular expression and print, the grep full form. Now I will try to show you the basic syntax of this one, and we'll try to see how we can find how we can use this grep command in the Linux. So most of the times we'll be using this grep thing. For example, let's say that the full form for the syntax for this one is grep, and you need to give a pattern and the file name. So this is the syntax for this one. So if you try to check the manual for this grep command, so here you will be able to see the manual for this one. So here you will be able to see the description. Grep searches for the patterns in each file. Patterns means, so whatever the text you are trying to provide. So now here we'll see, we will be having some options and all those things. I will try to show you some important options which we will be using in the regular basis. Now let's try to move it outside. So here let's say that, for example, I am having a file or something like that. Let's say we are not in the desktop, right? So I am in the desktop. So let's say that ls. Okay, so we are having some leela.txt, right? So let's try to open this leela.txt, whether any data existing or not. It doesn't have anything. Let's go to the cleanup. So maybe in the cleanup directory we are having so many files, right? In the 2ds also we used to have so many files. I didn't remember exactly. So here we have some couple of things, and if I try to do data.txt, so we are able to have these all the things, right? Now for example, let's say that, so this is our file, okay? In the this is our data.txt file. Let's assume in the data.txt file I want to search for a text Leela, so whether the Leela word is present in the file name or not. So if I want to search it means, so then I can provide like this grep Leela. I want to search for this Leela name, okay? And which file I want to search is in the to-dos, you know, the data.txt, that's it. So now if you try to see here, so you will be able to see the line, the entire line has been printed, that it is able to find that thing. So this is the basic thing. So not only like this, so for example, let's say that grep, I want to search for milk in shopping list.txt file, let's say. So we are not able to find it. Let's say that it is not there. I will try to print capital M. Now we are able to find it. So that is there in the first place. That one dot milk is there. So if you try to see cat shopping list.txt file, so there you will be able to see one dot milk. So this is the basic thing which you will be able to find. See, in a file, particular file name. So if you want to search for a particular string or anything, so particular text, so then you will be able to use this grep command. So there are some particular type of options are there in this one, so which I will try to tell you about this one. So for example, let's say that previously we have tried to search with the grep milk, okay, and shopping list.txt we have seen it, right? Shopping list.txt file. So we have tried. So now we are not able to find it. Why? Because but in the shopping list.txt file the text milk is present, but if you try to observe carefully, it is case insensitive, okay? So case sensitive. So that means the grep command, the search is case sensitive. So the capital M has and the small m has a difference. So if you don't want that one means, so for example, the same thing if I try to match it with capital M means, then it is coming, okay? So now for example, let's say that nano shopping list, okay? If I try to add 4 dot small, okay? So here if I try to exit, So if I try to exit here, and if I try to search for this grep capital milk, we are able to get it. Small milk means we are able to. So but here the milk is there 2 times, but here we are getting only 1 time only. So milk is there 2 times. So if I try to search for another one, something like small m means then we are getting the small m also. So for example, let's say that if you don't want the case sensitive thing means then we need to use the option -i, that is nothing but grep -i, and I want to search for the milk option, and here in the shopping list.txt file. That's it. Now you'll be able to see that in the 4 places. So you will be able to see that one dot means the entire line has been printed here. So that is one thing. So and also I want to this is how you will be using this one. So -i option means case insensitive search. If you want to have a case insensitive search means then you need to use an -i option. We also have an -n option also, -c option, sorry. -c option means it will try to give you the total number of count of the matching lines. For example, let's say that the same thing I will try to apply -i and also the -c. Then it will give that the 2 lines are getting matched. Now if I try to do something like, I will remove this one. So now only one match is there. The same thing I will try to do nano shopping list.txt file. Okay, and here I will try to do, okay, and here I will try to write some text here. So let's say that anything. So here this is milkman. Okay, so here the milk is different word, and here the milkman, it is a part of the word. The milkman is sending the from the form. Okay, so let's try to add it. So here I will try to do it. Now I will try to search for the grep -c milk. Now you will be able to see only 2 options are there. So now if I why because, so if you try to search for the milk means, so here you will be able to see that milk 1, 2 and 3. So three times you will be able to get it. Okay, so the 3 times you are able to counting the number of matching lines. Actually it is matching the lines. So lines it is trying to tell you, and here it is trying to tell you that milk and the here this is the matching. For example, let's say that I want to have the exact match only. So milk only it is show. Here it is a part of the milk is a part of the word. So in that scenario what you need to do it is, so here you need to write -w. Okay, exact word it will try to take it. Sorry. Okay, so hyphen thing you need to get. So now you will be able to see that only the milk and the milk you are able to get it. Now the same thing -count means, so what you will try able to get it. So 2 you are able to get it. For example, let's say that I am having something like -i. So you will be able to see that 4 times it is matching. -iw also you can use it. -iw. Then you will be able to see that only the 3 things is matching. So now if you try to give C also, it will give you the number of match. The count it will try to give it 3. So this is how you will be able to get it. So this is how we will be able to get this one. So now another thing which I want to explain you is so these are the options. So now let's say that we are searching for only single text only. So sorry, single file only we are searching. Let's say that I will go outside, and here I want to get grep. I want to search in the entire directory, in the to-dos directory I want to search it. So then I can use it something like -r, recursive search. So which we will be using for the rm command and all those things, recursive search. And the pattern I want to match it is the Leela. Okay, and the directory will be the current directory. So that is dot. Now if I try to press enter, so here you will be able to see that in the data.txt, so there is a file Leela, and we are able to see it. And if you want to get the line number means, then you can use an option something like -n. Then you will be able to see that in the first line it is there. So now if I try to open this cat data.txt, then you will be able to see that where it is located. See here in the first line it is located. If I want to search for the David means or Martin means, let's see. So grep -r Martin, right? So Martin and the current writing date is dot. So now we are not able to get it. Why? Because it's a case insensitive thing. It's a case sensitive, sorry. So now if I do I means, then you are able to see that in the third place it is there. So but I want to search it in the total desktop directory. Then what I can do it. So So here I can use this -r, and also we can use it and search it for the Leela. So there's so many places you will be able to see it, and here you can use ~desktop, so you can use it directly and press enter. See, in the 3 places it is there. So Leela, and you're able to see in the data.txt. In the website also we are having 3 times. So this is how we can search for the recursive. This is a recursive search. What is this one I am trying to tell you? So if you want to search for entire thing means, then you will be able to see it like this. For example, I don't know, so in the desktop I know that somewhere it is hidden, something like milk, we are able to see it, right? If I press enter, see, in these many places it is there. Shopping list.txt is there. So many places we are able to see. In the common.txt it is there. In the combined.txt file it is there. So like this we are able to get these many files, we are able to find it. So like this we will be using the grep command in order to find the complete search in this one, in entire files, and also in the particular file also you can use it. So we can not only this pattern thing in the text thing, we can also use a regular expression also. For example, let's say that I don't know, let's say that grep, okay, I want to search -r, okay, it should be case insensitive, and here I don't know that whether so E will be present more than once or not. So what can I do here? E, I can use something like, I don't know, so whether it is present E or not. So you can use a what I want to tell you is, for example, let's say that any option is there. So milk is there, let's assume, okay, so milk is there. I don't know whether this one is I or something like that. So I can use something like I or O. Oh sorry, I or O. So this is having something like a pattern that I don't know whether this I is present or not. I or O is present. So you can search it like this. Now if you press enter, so we will be able to find the options which we are having with an I option, and also with an O option also we can able to get it. Right now we are not having anything. So let's say that in the shopping list.txt file only, I will try to open shopping, sorry, these are all the things. I will try to remove it. Okay, I am trying to remove it, and here nano shopping list.txt file I am using, and here instead of using this mi, I am using the mvo. Okay, so mvo I am using, and here let's try to save it in, and the same command I will try to use it. So I want to get files which is having milk or mvolk. So now I can press enter. See, here somewhere I am able to find this option with mvolk also. So like this we can use a regular expression in the pattern, and you can search for the files. We'll try to learn more about this regular expression in the next videos. So hope you understood about this grep command. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.